Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Khushi Kesharwani.
Khushi Kesarwani. And what's your name?
My name is Mansi Aghari.
Mansi Agrari. So your names are Khushi Kesarwani and Mansi Agrari.
Yes.
Okay. Khushi Kesarwani, your code is 16A and Mansi, your code is 16B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now Khushi, introduce yourself.
Firstly, I would like to thanks to you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Khushi Kesharwani from class 12th and belongs to Sirathu Kausambi. My father name is Mr. Anil Kumar Kesharwani. He is a successful businessman. My mother name is Mrs. Nisha Kesharwani and she is a housewife. I am a kind of person who believes in honesty and punctuality. So that was about me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your aim?
My ambition of life to become an engineer.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and mathematics.
Okay, very nice. Now, Mansi, you are going to tell us about yourself.
Yes.
Please tell me something about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to say something about myself. I am Mansi Aghari. I am from class 12th A. My father name is Mr. Ramchandra Aghari. He is a successful businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Rajdhani Aghari. She is a housewife. I live in Mohammadpur Gauti. My ambition
Okay.
is to become an engineer.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is listening song and reading books.
Which types of song?
Sad song.
Okay. Let's move our next task, that is topic presentation.
Yes.
And Khushi, you are going to tell us about your topic. When Khushi will finish her topic, Mansi, you will ask some questions. And also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to start your topic?
Yes, sir. I would like to thanks to you for giving me this opportunity to speak my topic, and my topic is role of a teacher in a student's life. Teacher is also considered as a god, and in the earlier ancient times there were gurukuls where the students are used to live and attain knowledge from gurus, and we can say that a teacher is just like a torch bearer, and teacher plays a very important role in our students life. Not only they do guide students in academics or in extracurricular activities, but teachers are also shaping the child's future. Teacher imparts knowledge, good values, tradition, modern day challenges, and ways to resolve them within students. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Would you like to ask the questions?
Yes. So, Khushi, can you tell me what do you think a good teacher means?
According to me, a good teacher is just like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for the others.
In
Okay.
what ways a teacher helps students?
Teachers always help students. They always guiding and inspiring the students for their future.
Khushi, according to you, what are the qualities of an ideal teacher?
An ideal teacher teaches in the classroom with dedication and devotion, because a good teacher enriches the children with dedication and devotion.
Yes, 3D.
Yes, sir.
Duty?
Dedication, devotion, and duty.
Okay, very nice. Mansi is going to tell us about her topic. Let's start your topic.
And my topic is Make in India.
Yeah.
Make in India campaign was started by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th September 2014. It is an initiative to make a call to the top business investors all across the world for investment in India. It is a big opportunity to all businessmen investors to set up their business in any field, anywhere in the country. This opportunity plan has resourceful proposal for the foreign countries to set up their business in India. Make in India campaign was launched by Indian government and focuses on building infrastructure, etc. The symbol of this initiative is giant lion and having many wheels. It indicates peaceful progress. Thank you.
Okay. Would you like to ask the questions,
Yes, sir.
Khushi?
So, Mansi, can you also tell me what are the main objective of this campaign?
The main objective of this campaign is the among Indian youth for making products in India.
So, Mansi, can you also tell me what are the products that Make in India formed?
The products that Make in India formed automobiles, manufacturing, tourism, engine, etc.
Okay. Mansi, can you tell me who launched this scheme?
Make in India is started by our Honorable Prime Minister.
Okay. And can you tell me any other schemes like Make in India?
Digital India, Cashless India.
Okay. Very nice. Let's move our next task, that is a problem solving task. Listen very carefully. I am going to provide you an information. Okay, and both of you discuss about this information, and after that you have to tell me what is the appropriate solutions. So
Yes, sir.
this is your prompt number 5. Discuss both of you, and after that you have to tell me appropriate solution.
Okay, sir. One of our neighbor plays loud music every night. This disturbs you and the other neighbors since children are not able to study and old people are not able to sleep. Discuss with your partner how you can convince the person to not to disturb others. What effect can such noise pollution could have on the community? Well, Mansi, this playing of loud music have become a common problem in the society. People, in the names of parties, reception, can also balancing the norms and the laws of their noise pollution.
Yes, I agree with you. There is no peace even during night. I am also victim of maintenance of my neighbor. Played very loud music quite late in the night regularly.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will also advise them to go to him personally and requesting him very politely that loud music can be reduced so that children or are not able to sleep during night and students whose both are coming are not able to study during night.
Yeah, students are not able to study,
Yes, sir.
and old or sick men.
Old people are not able to sleep during night because they are all facing the problems due
Mansi,
to health issue.
Sir,
are you agree with
yes.
Khushi Kesarwani?
Yes, sir. But sir, I will make complaint. Local police station played very loud
Okay.
music.
First of all, you will talk to them.
Yes, sir.
After that,
Yes.
you will complain.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Firstly, politely behave.
Request.
Okay. So this is the end of your task.
Yes.
Thank you very much. You have done very well. Now you may go now.